Really? Wow. You're so tough. And look at that face. Wow.
Hello, this is Eliza from Down Home Doodle. I am here at Vicky's guardian home where I have her babies in their little whelping box. Mama can go inside and outside of this and she loves it. These babies are about 2.5 weeks old. We have a Tri, we have a couple chocolate Merles, we have a bunch of blue Merles here. This is just a stunning litter. We have loved our Eli babies. Hi. You guys are so cute. Yeah. So these pups here that I'm holding are both little boys. They do the wiggly guys. They're like, Mom, where's my mommy? They're still fully dependent on Mom at this point, eating milk. These babies will average about 35 pounds full grown. That's my estimate. I have a girl on the left and a little girl on the right. There's 11 of these little babies, and Vicky has been doing so good taking care of them. Okay, and now I have a chocolate Merle boy, and he's so cute. He's kind of a light chocolate. It's going to be interesting how he turns out as he gets older. Hello. Okay, and then we have another little girl. I love the dark face pups like this. Their tan really pops out as they get older. And she's pretty petite. She's a little smaller than a couple of her other siblings. And then I have this little smoocher here. This is a little boy. And he's got a little freckle on his nose. Love that. Cute little blue Merle. Some really unique marked pups here. And then we have a little dot head puppy. We haven't quite assigned them names yet, but we have some ideas. He's got a little dot on his head. In Vicky's guardian home, they're amazing. They take great care of these puppies and make sure that they get lots of socialization. Hi, this is a little girl too. Hi. And I'm assuming this girl is going to have blue eyes. She's going to be gorgeous. She's a chocolate Merle. You can see all the brown speckles throughout her coat. She's so cute. And then this is a little Tri, and this is a girl. She's squishy. You can see that they're very well fed. She's a tri with beautiful intensity, really, really dark tan. Okay, oh my goodness, so many of you. I could just sleep in here with these babies. This is a boy, and he's got cute blocky head. That white on his face really makes his head look blocky. And he's a chunk. I bet he'll be on the larger side. And then we have, already introduced Dot Head. I'm sorry. So those are the babies. I'm gonna hold a few of them in my arms because they're so cute. Come here. Little wiggle arms. Come here. Like I said, they're about 2 weeks old. They're so cute. Okay, well, I'm gonna hop off here, but thank you guys for watching.